Ayush. So we are at this place called Beyond Bajji, which was beyond our willpower to look for. But it is basically very close to Forum Mall. It is in the lane next to this Neeru's, you know. So Bajji's. Now we are going to try. We've come here specifically because I wanted my child to try out a fried ice cream. Right now he's having a blue mojito. Where is that? Somewhere it is. Yeah, blue lady, mojito. Is it called mojito, Ayush?
Yeah, mojito.
Is it? And can you please give me also a sip? Okay, one sip.
Please.
One sip and then you take it fully. Oh God. I don't know how you like all these. So when the ice cream comes, but when it's a cool drink, it's refreshing, right? That's good. So I was keen to this is how it looks from the outside, Beyond Bajji. So this is a nice place indeed. The weather is good. It's a pleasant evening and I'm waiting for my fried ice cream.